So friends, welcome back to our channel Learn with Gigs. 100% placement guarantee claims. Yes, you would have heard these terms a lot in the market. Different edtech companies have been coming up with these kind of programs, and if you are a fresher, if you are a person who want to restart your career, means you have a career gap, or if you want to do the transition from some other domain to data analytics or data science domain, these programs are very much attractive for you, right? So that's why I want you to listen everything whatever I will say in this video, because I will be telling you the ground reality of the 100% placement guarantee claims. So let's start the video, and before that, if you're new to the channel, then do subscribe the channel for more useful videos like this. And also you can follow my Instagram page Learn with Gigs for job related regular updates plus short videos on data analytics domain. Alright, now let's first talk about first type of claims, which is 100% job assistant claims. That means the companies, the edtech companies are telling you that they will give you 100% assistance, or you can say guidance, to apply in different companies, to prepare your resume, or any kind of guidance you require in your career, in data analytics career or data science career. So many of you think that this 100% job assistance is basically 100% job guarantee. In that sense, you go ahead and take those courses or boot camp. But in actual, these are simply the assistance program where you will not be getting any kind of placement guarantee. It's just that they will provide the guidance. And what you do, you end up in investing more than 50,000, 80,000 or maybe even 1 lakh rupees in edtech companies where only job assistance is provided, 100% job assistance. If you are taking any kind of 100% job assistance course or boot camp, the price of the boot camp or the course should be very less, should be affordable, and then only you should go ahead and buy that course. Otherwise, if you are going to pay 50,000, 80,000, 85,000, then that doesn't make any kind of sense. Instead, you can learn it from YouTube itself for free. Now let's talk about 100% job guarantee claims. This is very important. What is the ground reality of 100% job guarantee? So what will happen? So if you enroll in any kind of course or boot camp, which will be almost 6 months plus program, okay, so if you go ahead and buy that boot camp or course, and the course fees will be also 80,000 or maybe 1.2 lakhs or maybe 1.5 lakhs, depending on the kind of edtech institute. If it is famous, it will be asking more. If it is less famous, it will be asking less, but it will be on a higher side. Now again, what you will think, since you are a fresher, you don't know about the exact reality, you will see that, okay, they are saying 100% placement. That means if I will learn the skills that they will teach, after that they will place you in some kind of company. But what happens exactly? So obviously the program will continue for 6 months. You will be learning the things, maybe not up to the mark, but average information, average knowledge you will get after investing so much of amount. But when the time comes for the placement, what happens is they put some benchmark, okay, maybe 2 to 3 benchmark, and they will say internally you have to clear those exams or benchmarks, and then only we will be forwarding your resume to different companies and helping you placed. But the problem is that those internal assessments are very tough. So what happens, many people who go and enroll on those kind of courses, they don't clear the internal assessments, because they will ask machine learning also, deep learning also, right? So all those things which you might not be comfortable with, which will be also asked in those kind of test, at the end what will happen, you will not be able to clear those, and so you will not be going ahead with the placement. So ultimately, even after investing 1 lakh rupees also, you will not be going ahead for the placements. Now there will be few people who will be able to clear those internal assessments. So at the end what will happen, when you will pass those internal assessments, still they will not be able to place you. What they will say, okay, give your resume, and they will go ahead and send your resume to different company. That is fine, that they will do, but in actual, no interview call will actually happen. They will say that they are doing, but actually nothing will happen. They will keep on saying to you, you will be keep on reaching out to them, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, time will pass. They will keep on saying they are working on it. They will be assuring you that you will be placed soon. Ultimately, your 1.5 years will be gone, and you will not be getting placed. Since you have already cleared the test, you have given so much amount of money, so you have that right to question them. So you will go to them, when you will be questioning them, they will say, okay, we will provide you salary slips for the duration for which you have trained, you got trained under us. In that way, they will compensate you. They will say that, okay, you take the salary slips. So at one instant, you will think, okay, it's fine, I am getting the salary slip. That means I can show that experience. But again, there is the issue over here. when you will be giving the interview, for example, they gave you a 1 year of salary slips from their company, which will be basically fake only. And when you will be reaching out to different companies and giving the interview, and if you reach to the HR round, they will ask you to provide salary slips plus PF account plus Form 16. So if these three information is not provided to the next employer, you will not be getting recruited. So ultimately, even after getting the salary slips also, this won't help you. So 100% placement guarantee scheme is also a kind of scam only, because the ground reality is completely different. And for your information, many big brands in the market have reached out to me also. Okay, I will not take the names, but they have reached out to me also to promote their 100% placement guarantee programs. But I have never responded to their mails, their messages, because for me, your trust is everything. Okay, so this was the second type of claim that different tech companies say. Now we have third type of claim, which is 100% pay after placement claim. You would have heard these kind of things also. So this again is very attractive from outer world, right? If you are a fresher, you will be getting attracted towards it. Okay, they will be providing you trainings and all, everything will be done, and they will get you placed. And at the end, when you will be getting placed, then they will take some amount from you. So if there is any tech company who is claiming this thing, so there is some terms and conditions on this, and those terms and conditions are not transparent mostly. They will say we will be placing you with a package of suppose 6 lakhs per annum in India, and we will take 40% or 50% of that amount once you are getting placed. These two information they will say. And again, if you will consider 40% or 50% of 6 lakhs, which is almost 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, right? So 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs is a big amount which you will be earning, right? And they will take after that. But these are only two things that you will be told. There are a lot of other terms and conditions also which they are not transparent mostly. Okay, they might ask you to submit your 10th and 12th class mark sheets. They might ask you to sign some other kind of agreement which you are not aware of. And at the end, when things will happen differently, then you will understand, okay, they have already taken some kind of agreement from me, and now I can't do anything. I am helpless. So most of the times they are not transparent on this. Okay, and if they somehow get you placed also, the amount that they will take from you is a very big amount, which as I told you, for example, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, or maybe more than 3 lakhs also. So it is senseless to give 3 lakhs as a fee to them. So 100% pay after placement claims are also a kind of scam only that is going on in the market. And I believe many of you who will be watching this video, they might have already taken this kind of courses, 100% placement guarantee and all, and ultimately they would not have got any kind of job. So please drop a comment if you have suffered something like this, so that other people don't get caught into these kind of scams, and hence you will be adding value to the data community. So do share this video as much as possible, because your one share can make a lot of difference in this data community world.